here with a colored umbrella. Let's make a bad drill. So I got these acrylic blanks from Moxie vinyls. Whenever you do a blank, they always has this protective paper on it. So make sure you peel that off. I'm just gonna take a little silicone cup and fill it up with some UV resin from Resin Rockers. Since this is a smaller blank, you don't need to do a whole lot. I put some glitter in there and then I realized I didn't do enough resin, so I just added a little bit more just so that it wasn't so thick. After I have that mixed, I'm just gonna go and put it on my blank, and I'm just gonna use my silicone stir stick, and I just kind of move it around in a circular motion going to the edges. UV resin is just like regular epoxy where it is self-leveling. Once it gets to the edge, it just kind of sits there, which is nice. After you're done though, you're going to hit it with some heat. You can either use a lighter. I used my torch, and that will get any bubbles out. After that, I'm gonna stick it under my light for about 2 minutes. And once it's cured, I am going to put my decal on it. I did purchase this decal from Moxie vinyls. You can also print it out yourself or use vinyl. It's just easier sometimes to buy it already done though. Once it's on there and I don't have any bubbles, then I take some more UV resin and I am just going to put a clear coat over the top of it. And I wanna make sure I have a nice even layer over my entire decal. I also want to make sure all of the edges of my decal are completely covered in resin so I don't have any issues with it pilling up. You also want to make sure that you hit it with a torch to get any bubbles out, and then I will just put it under my light again for another 2 minutes. Once it's completely cured, I now want to put it on my bad drill. I'm going to take some dual lock. This is from 3M. I buy it on Amazon. This stuff is like Velcro on steroids. I'm going to stick one half of it on my bad drill first, and then I'm going to take the other side and stick it on there and then peel off the backing to reveal the stickiness. Once I have that off, then I'm going to peel the paper backing off of my blank. I like to leave that on just because it helps it if any epoxy got on the back, then the back's all clean and nice and I don't have to clean that off. Less work for us, right? Now I'm just gonna take the bad drill and stick it to the back of my blank. Make sure it's on there really good. Now this dual lock, it is on there really good. You basically have to pry it off, which is perfect for bad drills. And now it's ready for its new home. Let me know if you have any questions at all, and I hope you have the best day ever and happy bad drill making. Bye.